Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We will discuss about three-step lead magnet tutorial, how to create a high conversion converting lead magnet. Now I go to the Google and search here three-step lead magnet tutorial, how to create high converting lead magnet. And now I go to add this link and click here. This shows this result. Three-step lead magnet tutorial, how to create a high converting lead magnet. Your email list is one of the most valuable assets in your business, and in order to grow your email list you need to learn how to create a killer lead magnet. So in this blog post I'm going to break down the exact three-step magnet formula I follow to attract highly qualified leads and turn those leads into sales. So you want to learn how to build your email list and get more qualified leads in your business. Well, first let me tell you what not to do. Subscribe to my email list so I can send you more emails. People don't actually want your emails, they want help. So the best way to build your email list is by offering help in the form of lead magnet that you give your prospective for free in exchange their name and email addresses. But here the things, it has to be good. I see time and time again business owners just slap together and some ordinary contents they have lying around, call it something fancy and accept people to come flocking to their websites to sign up. It doesn't work like that. So it is article I am going to walk you through three things a good lead magnet must include, and all and at the end of this blog post even the four most popular types of the lead magnet you can offer in your business to grow a list highly qualified leads. What is lead magnet? A lead magnet is the some form of content or information that you offer for free to attract qualified lead people who are actually interested what do you and therefore and more like to buy far from you and some points in futures. Now this doesn't just help you grow your email list in the create trust, builds authority and gets you new customers. The first thing a good lead magnet must beat. First, solve an immediate needs. You will sometime hear people call a lead magnet on ethical bride and just saying that make me caring a little. A good lead magnet is anything but doce. A good leads magnet will provide massive value in your audience and make them link. Create a desire for more. Remember, the ultimate goal here is the have how your leads become customers, and if your lead magnet doesn't create to desire for more, chances are your leads will just sign up to the get free fee things and the bonus. Create the desire for your leads to go deeper. Step number 1, solve, and give the what, not the how. So here you focus on educating your prospect on what they need to do to solve their core problem and achieve their most desired end result, and why it's so important. You give them the action steps, framework, secrets, and formula for them to follow, which they could implement on their own and see immediate result. But after you give the what for free, you can position your product at the how comprehensive action plan that will more easily, quickly, and efficiently get to the where want. And a great way to this masterclass or webinar offer. Number 4, offer a free sample trial or giveaway. Comments. What is lead magnet? Click here. And now with knowing about lead magnet. What is lead magnet? 68 effective ideas and examples to us to use. Are you looking for lead magnet ideas? What is lead magnet? A lead magnet is a free resource that attract potential customers for your niche to click on. By using this free content, visitors are more likely to sign up. Your emails listed actually eventually become paying customers. Thank you so much for watching this video. Goodbye.